This ain't new, but I want to speak on it. The previous video that I just posted, I went ahead and pinned it here. So many folks buy into the website looking great, the marketing, just as, oh my gosh, it's amazing, right? The pretty graphics, all that good stuff. Me and my colleagues, we talk about this all the time. How they get y'all. How they truly get you guys, right? And it ain't just you guys, it's all of us, right? I've got too, believe me. And I dropped off that next month. I was out. I was like, yeah, no. What it is that you're buying into this illusion. What you're thinking is that somehow will translate into your own garden. As I said in the last caption, you cannot plant the money tree without the seeds. Okay. You need to invest the time in putting the seeds into the ground, actually watering it, actually nurturing it. And then you will see the money tree start to grow. But the money tree just don't magically come into your backyard. The money tree doesn't magically just come up because now you decided that you're going to follow or you're going to get into this person's program and all of a sudden that money tree going to come. There's work that needs to be done. Aside of that, you knew they was scamming anyway. You felt it. You just decided not to lean into the intuition because you decided that this person had X, Y, and Z results that they somehow posted that was probably their friends that gave them the reviews in the first place. This is another reason why I don't ask for websites anymore. I go and Google you. Okay? I go and Google and I actually go through and I'll go to Instagram too. And I'll go all the way to the end. I'm scrolling all the way. Because I want to see, started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team. I want to see your growth. I want to see that you just didn't all of a sudden decide to put up some account and then now you're talking about you can do X, you can do Y, you can do Z. I want to see your struggle. I want to see that you've been through the pain that I've been through. I want to know that you're actually going to be there with me to have these conversations whenever I feel like giving up, whenever I feel like quitting, whenever I feel like this ain't working and I feel like this whole internet is trash. I want to know that person that I'm paying, that I'm investing in is going to be there because I'm that person for other people.